Do you know many people are having trouble with setting the right freezer temperature? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Find Control Dial. Locate the temperature control dial inside your fridge, often at the back or top. Step 2. Adjust temperature. Adjust the dial towards a higher number or colder to lower the freezer's temperature. Step 3. Wait to stabilize. Allow 24 hours for the temperature to stabilize after any changes. Step 4. Verify temperature. Verify the new temperature using a thermometer and adjust further if necessary. Step 5. Secure door. Ensure the freezer door closes tightly to maintain the desired temperature. Now you should be able to adjust your freezer's temperature with confidence. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Whirlpool users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.